Hi everyone, this is Preeti Nirikshan here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very special. This is my very first video in 2022 and this is also one of the videos that I'm talking after a very long time. Firstly, thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel, supporting me, commenting on the videos that I'm uploading and being a huge support in whatever I'm doing in my channel. Today's video is pretty special. I got the opportunity to try out Kama Ayurveda's new launch called the Amarupa. This wrinkle repair and firming face oil. This is meant for aging skin, especially if you're 30 plus. This is meant for you. This is the right time I feel that I have to indulge in a skincare that is especially meant for maturing skin. And with that being said, any Ayurvedic brand or any skincare product, always make sure you do a patch test either here or here to make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients in the product. The ingredients list is fabulous because you have everything that needs to be there in a single serum, which would be a all-rounder of a product addressing all your problems. Centella asiatica, which is an anti-inflammatory and anti-aging herb. Indian gooseberry, we all know amla, and citron fruit are a powerhouse of vitamin C. Oleic acid is rich in omega-9 fatty acid, and Arjuna extracts strengthens the skin barrier. Carrot seed oil plumps skin and gives you an even skin tone. I'm going to share with you all the benefits of the Amarupa oil on regular usage. It firms loose wrinkle skin, improves skin texture, locks in hydration, defends skin against pollution and cold weather through its natural actives, enriched with ingredients that promote collagen synthesis to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and intensely nourishes the skin. Benefits are pretty straightforward, and all the problems that you would face when your skin is aging, this is one serum that you can actually use to tackle all of these problems at one go. Now to the clinical claims. Kama Ayurveda carries out an intense clinical trial to test out any products they let out in the market, and Amarupa is no different. A clinical trial for 28 days for the age group of 36 to 55 who had wrinkled and loose skin, and these are the clinical claims of the product. 15% firmer skin, 36% smoother skin, and 31% reduction in under eye circle. Amarupa wrinkle repair and firming face oil is available in two sizes. The one that I have is of 3 ml and there's another one at 15 ml. 3 ml costs 695 rupees and the 15 ml costs 2995. This is available across India in stores and online. Let's move on to how to use. The packaging has straight up what to do. The recommended quantity for normal to oily skin is 2 to 3 drops, and if you have drier skin you can actually push up to 4 drops. This can be used in the morning and in the night, and if you're using it in the morning, always follow up with a sunscreen. In your skin with water-based toner, press it gently on your face. Take 2 to 3 drops of Amarupa oil in your palm. I like to warm it up in between my palm and gently apply it in upward motion. Make sure you're concentrating more on your crow's feet, your under eye, smile lines, and make sure you're massaging it gently in upward direction until it is fully absorbed. So now coming to the review on my experience, personal experience on using this. Immediate result that I found out after using, my skin texture improved a lot. After first few uses, skin felt more smooth and more tight, which was not very common with many of the other serums or oils or creams that I've used in the past. So this was very new to me. Honestly, I haven't been happier with any of the skincare product I've got in the past, but this one stands out exceptionally well by Amarupa oil because it doesn't cause acne for me, which is such a main concern for me and my skin. It gets absorbed into my skin really well, and I don't feel like I have actually applied an oil on my face when I go to sleep. And now coming to the under eye part, I really did like this oil. Apply it around your eyes. About your crow's feet, I think it will need a lot more time than I used to actually see a major difference in crow's feet. But I really did like this as an all-rounder product for my under eye and dark circle. It did help nourish them. Actually layers up really well with moisturizer, and also in the daytime I have used it with sunscreen. It does well with sunscreen as well. So all of these things are a major plus for me. I actually like the 3 ml packaging because you can try it out to see whether it works for your skin instead of buying a bigger one. This is a much needed oil for me in my skincare routine, and I'm actually gonna buy the bigger one, and you will be seeing that a lot in my skincare routines. And that's it about it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Much love. Bye.